It's a beautiful day in Nassau. It has been storming and storming and storming. It's only 9:40, but still, it should be interesting. Got our Mickey shorts on, but we gotta go get some breakfast.
And it's already
9:40.
9:50.
Yeah. Oh, phone. Taking a magic band?
No.
Got your card?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's boogie. Ooh.
Please, this is the officer of the watch speaking from the bridge. Starting in 10 minutes time,
Good morning.
we will be
Morning.
sending our...
Happy, fat, and lazy. You walked in and whoopsie daisy.
I think because there's just nothing to look at.
I mean, there's plenty to look at. I just walked down the hallway. It's 10:18. It took him that long to get food. And this is supposed to close in 12 minutes?
There's only 10 minutes left. And the line over here is out the wazoozle. But I got my smorgasbord here. All the things. And juice.
Well, I got my food in like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
This is ridiculous. And that's loud. I got fruit, Benedict, waffle, muffin, hash brown. Replicating my Boma oatmeal here, although it's not coconut oats. How's your food?
Good.
They're closing her down at 10:47. They gave us 17 extra minutes. But people aren't, they're still going. So here's the mural. It's got all his little friends. Nemo and Marlin.
Nemo's swimming out the
sea. And the turtles. There's Nemo Marlin again. There's Nemo Marlin again. I like this, the little guy. Yeah. They're so funny. That's incredible.
Yeah, that's amazing.
And then here we have clocks that say the time at all the parks. So Hong Kong Disneyland, it's almost 11. I'm guessing that's PM. Tokyo, almost midnight, I think. Disney World, same time as us. California, it's almost 8 a.m. And in Paris, it's almost 5 p.m.
5 p.m.
And then they have the castles in sand form. Paris, Disneyland, Disney World, Tokyo, and Hong Kong. It's so beachy up here. Yep, and then down there is that guy. Does he have a name? He has a name. What's his name? Nigel. Very good. See, I'm bad with names. Little Remy art up there. That's very cute. I like that it's like, not subtle, but what's the word? Interpretive, you know, like
Not
obvious. Yeah.
Not the like same kind of style of
The animation, yeah. Got lots of magnets. My birthday trip. Another birthday cruise. I love the banner. It's a cute fish extender. They got a lot of stuff. Don't go through their stuff.
I think it's a
Giveaway?
giveaway.
Well, there's no sign, so. They got big magnets done. Here's the pirate doors. You know what we gotta bring to these. They earned it. Big old fish extender there. Oh, I like the ship. Those are fun. Ooh, what we got here? Pirates and Pooh banners. Pirates and Pooh. These look like pixie dust. Oh, there's a fish extender. Cute. I like this one. Look, there's mice. Olaf. Oh, those are cute. I like some of the ice cream cones. And then look at this cute Jordan fish extender. Is there anything in there? Oh yeah, there's stuff in there.
Got some stuff?
Yeah. We all have full hands. Glow sticks. Yo, Pirate's Life for me. Oh, more stickers. Those look awesome. Open those up.
These sticks will keep you aglow at the pirate deck. Party.
Party. Those are cute. That's a cute little idea.
And put their in the moment.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
That's what I said. Those are amazing. There's a lot of them. What we got? What we got? What we got?
We got Captain Minnie. That says Dream.
Oh, that's amazing.
And Aqua Duck.
An aqua duck.
Old Nancy.
That's hilarious.
And a
Mickey bar.
Mickey bar. And a little
Aww.
Disney Cruise Line. And a Rainbow Mick. And just a
Generic one. Those are awesome.
we got a good loot there.
Yeah. Jackpot. Is it still raining? At least it's not torrentially monsooning and lightning. That was intense. We have a very scenic view. But you can see Atlantis over there. And there's a ship on the other side. Hello, bird. Hello, bird.
So what's up with all this new development out
I know. It looks like they're building tiny little houses. It's a little too squishy. Need more tables. There's a sledge over here, though. I think we're gonna try.
Right there. It's gonna be on there, and it's gonna be.
Well, that was speed drawing. I didn't film any of it because you gotta keep up.
It went very fast.
Yeah. There's mine. Not the best. Not the worst.
My ears look weird.
You're like very round. That's funny. Some examples. That's great. I was thinking doing something like that.
Yeah.
Cute. You just kept drawing stuff on yours.
Yeah, I tried to even it out.
Very good. I did the logo-ish and Dream on the other side, which turned out better. Somebody's getting married.
Someday my pencils come.
Yeah. She's down there. They're probably going to come down the stairs. Flower girl. Little ring bearer. Was a vow renewal. It was very cute. Oh, bless you. We got all our crafts. Lilo and Stitch 2025. Already started. Darn. Got any goods? Doesn't look like it. Are we refreshed?
You got goodies in it.
Pirate bandanas! Let's go. Came back and had a little rest. It's off to more activities.
This is my drink.
No, I think that's mine. Yours was over there and it's gone now. We haven't even been in here yet.
Nope. Smells like spray paint.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Oh yeah. Must get the paper. Very good.
A friend with them.
We had
to
a
come out
four-way
and help,
tie.
That's totally fine. You're not that young. I was about sure. East Australian Current spans the length of the east coast of Australia, measuring around how many kilometers?
Absolutely
Closest
no clue.
answer wins. Okay, so we have a winner. Are you ready to see the answer?
Woo!
The answer is
4,000. All right.
Congratulations, we have our winner right here. Oh, that is very loud.
Alright, here's our pirate craft. Cut with your safety scissors. Well,
Tons of fun.
tons of fun. My fingers hurt. That was a lot of cutting and folding and sticking. Yarr. Those are pretty adorable. Hi, Captain. Alright, let's go get some food. Got some more stickers and some patches. We're collecting all the people that are dropping off so we can return the favor, hopefully. We put our dudes up here, waiting for them to dive off in the middle of the night when the air conditioner kicks on.
They'll be fine.
Yeah, they probably will. Food.
Food.
Food. Food. Who said cruises are relaxing? Apparently it's just gonna rain all day today. See, I told you all the chairs were undercover. We could have sat up here. Alright, what we got? Fillmore's favorites. Wraps and sandwiches and salads. Cantina. There's hamburgers and hot dogs and chicken tenders. And pizza. Alright, here's our food. We both got taco bowls and you got some wraps. And it was chaos! And it's still raining! Back to the district. Though it kind of feels like we're getting on Pirates of the Caribbean. It's time for our mixology class. Very good.
Just to not mix too much.
I want that coaster. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, and you can take it out like this. CP and shot. You guys.
Oh, no.
Cheers, everyone.
Oh god. You made a mess.
You did.
Cheers, everyone. We just press it. Why I say just squeeze the lime? Because if you squeeze the mint also, it is bitter in taste. It comes to your palate, then you're ruining the drink's taste.
Yeah.
1 to 7.
If you put 1 to 10, I have to get wheelchair.
What is it?
We are going to make is called a build-up drink, Bahaman Breeze.
Bahama breeze.
Midori, pineapple juice, ice of course, and topped with blue carasso. Like in the display it was showing with the worms in the snake skin. But when I ordered, I said I want to have this one. But he said, if you're having this one, you have to eat the worms and the skin. So if it is good layer, it is a birthday cake. If it is mixed up, we say belated happy birthday. As even in my like some.
Hi, matey.
More like it. Allow me to introduce myself. The name be Pirate Mighty Mouse.
What?
Come on! What was that?
Well, I got
I
all
have told
flashy
you
for the
stop
Wheel of
doing that in
Destiny.
the crow's nest. It's not funny.
I think it was Pepito. Did you do this? Tú lo hiciste. I'll keep an eye on you. Okay?
It's so funny.
Pepito will have to host the show.
I think Pepito speaks English. Okay.
Terrible.
Roasted the kid.
I think I figured it out. I'm gonna let you figure that out. Okay, now. Mighty mast you be! But what be a mighty mast without a crow's nest? This is Cheryl. She
And this
bites.
one's Russell.
Russell and Russell.
Oh my, if you have to explain it, it's not funny.
Serious swap, period task. With your mom in your pocket.
Now this one's gonna be so funny, everyone's gonna be banging on those tables. What lies at the bottom of the ocean and shivers? Ask me what? A nervous wreck.
Jolly Rogers. Good job.
Yeah!
Yeah, that's fantastic. We're leaving. What time is it? 5:45. They ain't wasting no time. I get my drink. We go. For me, yo-ho. Bye, ship. Bye, Nassau. Thanks for raining all day. Except for right now.
The last time we left Nassau, we were at the pool.
Were we?
Yeah.
Yeah. They probably already blew the horns. Maybe not, though.
I can't remember.
Yeah, I can't either. Pop top. Oh man, that's awesome. That's amazing. That's pretty cool. Don't break it. It's freaking spring loaded. This is cute too. That's pretty amazing, I'm not gonna lie.
Not leak proof, not trended for hot drinks.
Not trended.
Not trended.
Popcorn! Don't you spill my popcorn.
It's fine. What's Nick saying?
Yeah, what is Mick saying?
to play
Oh,
the
we're
game.
playing the game. Yeah, we need to do that at some point.
We could have done that today.
We could have, but there was just so much to do today. There's a Mickey over there.
Yeah, I was wondering what that was.
A Mickey statue. Yo ho! Look how cute. Let me see.
Did you hear what I said?
What
The dream
is over here?
and the wish. are
Wish.
over
Yeah, the
here.
wish got demoted because the treasure's the newbie.
Okay.
Should have got the wish one. Magic, fantasy, wonder. And it has all their little like butt guys on it.
Or you said
Amazing.
bug guy.
I said butt guys. Technical term. Butt guys.
That's an interesting one.
Eh?
How's mine look?
Like an engineer.
The problem is the point doesn't hit the back of my, or the middle of my back.
No, you can't even see Mick.
Oh,
Here.
that's because I didn't have one.
That's better. Are we bobbing around or am I drunk?
You're drunk. The seas are perfectly calm.
I was bouncing all over that bathroom. Tying your bandana. I tied mine around my wrist. And then I got some rings. And I got my tentacle bracelet. I got it Spirit Halloween. Yep, and some bracelets. And this light up bracelet we got for pixie dust. We're finishing sword in the stone. 100 big guys with swords. Oh yeah, and I got my ears on. Can you see them? Aha! Alright, we're off to pixie dust. We made our little bags again. that we made on our last cruise.
And put ring pops in them.
And put ring pops in them. Not as elaborate as the last time.
No, which was
Still
much
fun.
better for
Want
us.
some more drink?
No.
You got your bird. Gee. Pretty queen. Have a lollipop. Cute. I love those. Cute. Oh yeah, all their.
Dream magic.
Yeah, those are great. I want those. You know?
Our favorite, the treasure.
Funny. Our first. See? They're wish firsters. I love the pirates. Those are great.
11th floor.
Mickey Mouse and Minnie.
I haven't seen that kind of merry making and game playing since Captain Kid was still a kid.
You ready?
Farewell to your land, friends, and next time aboard!
I can't read
Well done! You lesson number 1. If Ezra and Captain gives you an order,
Or ask you a question.
loud and proud, say, aye, Captain Frank! Aye, Captain! I was like this! I was like 40. Lesson number 5! Lesson number 5!
Lesson number 1.
What does an iron love more than anything? Take after this!
The true pirates love the most.
Now shake it, crew from coast to coast.
Mural's different. It's got Squirt, Pearl, and Bruce. I did. I'm gonna get it again. It's Pirate Night. That's a lot of beets. I got the crab cake.
Trying to remember, I know it's beef and
Asparagus and mustard.
Yellow.
Is it good as you remember? Pots of heaven. And I got the chicken again. Pirate guy. Got little coins for eyeballs. Apparently the fireworks already started. Yarg. Getting ready for bed. Watching our Mickey shorts. Hello. We pirated our booties out. Shake your booty. See, my pirate booty's in Betty.
Yep. My pirate booty's ready for bed.
Mm-hmm.
Get ready for bed.
We ran around. We never took a nap today.
Yeah, we ran around like crazy.
Crafts and trivia and drawing and pirate shows and mixology. Oof. And fireworks and what else did we do today? food and
Pirate game.
oh yeah, the pirate game. Pixie dust. That was a lot.
Yep. Per usual. Are you ready for vacation?
Are you ready for bed?
Yes.
Aye, Captain. We do that all the time. Now you know, if you didn't already. Tomorrow is Lookout Key.
Are we supposed to be getting continental breakfast?
Oh yeah, you need to look in the drawer and see if you can find it. Is it in there? Wunderbar. Is there a pen? Aha! Let me see. What do we want?
All of it.
Juices, cereal, breads, condiments, coffee, tea, and hot chocolate. What time are we getting there tomorrow? Wee 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 wee. Let's check the app. It's not telling me. Uh, 8:30. All aboard is 4:45.
There you go.
Lunch is 11:30 to 2. But what's the weather gonna be? Ah! Who knows? I've been checking NASA.
I don't know, because we're bobbing and weaving right now.
Mm-hmm. Should be better than today, at least. Sunday looks good, too. Beep, 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 beep. Oh well, we're gonna figure out breakfast and get to do lighthouse key, whatever the flip that place is called. It's got too many names.
Lighthouse Point, Lookout Key.
Lighthouse Point at Lookout Key.
Very good.
On the island of Eleuthera. See my nails? I don't think I showed you my nails. Focus. There. Tee-hee. Hello.
Can we be done with this so I can get ready for bed?
He's waiting to change his to pajamas. Do we have anything else to say?
I don't think so.
Okay. Good night.